Yeah, boy.
This time for a bit. Piece off the back. Treated to the magician in full flow and equal performance, in my opinion, from Torsten as well. If he's going to jump this, is he going to jump this, or is he jump swerve so that he doesn't have to go over a lot of the ball? Really, really nice.
Another
Good to see
one.
the interaction from everyone on the rail here. Everyone's super engaged in this match right now. But not too early for a celebration, I don't think, with where that 5 ball is. Pointed as Q2, because that 3 might cut in between the 8 and the 9 now. Yeah, so he's just trying to get back into that channel, you see, without scratching. I think he has enough of it. It's a fantastic positional shot, but it's not been acknowledged by the crowd. I wonder if the plotting angle is all of the ball that he can see right now. So just needs to... It's just going to help the cut take. This is why he is...
Yeah, boy.
Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Kikay Sports TV reaction and commentary videos. For today's reaction video, ito pag-usapan natin tong another exciting match between Efren Reyes versus dito sa isang magaling na pool player na si Torsten Homan. At dito nga makikita natin maglalaban sila sa 9 ball, race to 9 yung kanilang match at winners break no yung kanilang breaking format. At nagpansin natin dito na sa all-to na ang score natin, race to 9 yan. Si Homan ang nasa table at mukhang aabante siya ng 1 puntos dito kay Reyes. Kaya panoorin natin mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard.
Players do well and incorporate that into your own game. I'm not saying there's going to be another Efren, but hey, we don't know that. Maybe in my lifetime, we'll see. And Torsten's going to be very happy with that because Efren had leveled up 2-2 and taken all of the wind out of his sails. So now I'm really just hoping that he can get another one on the board. What I believe is a race to 7, or is it a race to 9? I will confirm that. I'm sorry, I've forgotten already.
At dito nga, nasa last ball na si Torsten Homan. Nasa magandang posisyon yung kanyang cue ball. Kaya ito mukhang makakaabante talaga ng 1 puntos dito si Homan. 3-2 ang score natin dyan, lamang si Homan. At makita natin, si Homan pa rin ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 6. No? Si Torsten Homan ay isang German at nakatira sa US. No? At pinakapaborito niyang billiard location, billiard hall, itong sa Amsterdam Billiards. At dito nga nakalaban ni Efren Reyes itong si Homan dahil sa isang invitation match. At ito ay tournament ng 32 players. Nasa quarterfinals na si Efren Reyes dito at saka si Homan. At ang pwedeng mapanalunan nila dito ay worth $35,000 no, sa mga magcha-champion. At dito nga mukhang nasa table si Reyes at medyo malayo itong ball number 1. At sinubukan niyang pinahin at eksakto yung pagkakapina doon ni Reyes. May available shot siya dito sa ball number 2 pero mahirap yung pocketing. Pero tingnan natin yung galing ni Reyes dito sa mga ganitong situation. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
I haven't seen him play one single safety shot yet. Which again, I don't want to see him play safe, but we know it's part of his arsenal. If he is playing aggressive, I don't know what the shot is. And I'm okay admitting it. Ooh. Ooh. Maybe a 2 and a 3-way shot.
At dito nga mukhang sumablay yung bank shot doon ni Reyes kaya back to table itong si Homan. Tingnan natin kung maranot niya itong rack number 6.
Torsten's got a really good opportunity to put some space between them again. Don't see a problem. That needs to slow down. This new cloth catching him out. Still a twitch, but it went. Oh, how did that ball go down? You can see Emily Fraser turning in her grave at the thought of that one going in on the matchroom.
At dito nga mukhang maganda itong pinapakita ni Homan, no, dito sa rack number 6 na ito, dahil nagsablay nga si Reyes doon sa bank shot niya sa dos. At dito mukhang maganda ang layout ng table at mukhang may pag-asa si Homan dito na maka-run out. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Others are saying it's restricting the style of play that we've come to love about 9-ball, where you can cheat the pocket, you can create different angles. I'm somewhere in the middle. I like 425. 4.25 I think is my favorite. There's a lovely shot there, just got around the back of that 7-ball. Now this is a routine out. I don't like, well, 4.5 I like for straight pull, quite honestly, because again I think straight pull lends itself to that type of pocket. And I would say.
At dito nga tulad ng inaasahan, nasa last ball na si Homan sa rack number 6. Mukhang abante ng 2 puntos dito si Homan, no? 4-2 ang score natin dyan, lamang si Homan ng 2 puntos. At breaking advantage yan, may napasok pang 2 bola. At meron siyang available shot sa next object ball. So sinuwerte at magaling talaga din itong si Torsten Homan, no? Isang German yan pero nakatira sa US. At dito nga nakalaban niya si Reyes. Nasa kasalukuyan si Reyes ay nasa 68 years old na siya dyan. At dito nga mapansin niyo talagang mahusay itong kalaban ni Reyes, no? At tingnan natin kung makabawi si Reyes. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Maybe use the 6-ball if he can't push past it off 2 rails. Yeah, just use the sticks there to control the positional shot. Again, nicely back in. While it's not prime position, it's very, very good position to get from the 4 to the 5. Now, as I mentioned before, just control the middle of the table here. Some advice I think I need to take for myself. Sometimes simple is best, boring is best. Yes, it's nice to put on a bit of a show, some extra English, backspin, topspin, whatever you want to use. Only use it when necessary. And again, he's drawn into the perfect shape there. And should now just, if he's too straight.
Mukhang magaling talaga itong si Torsten Homan. Talagang napansin nyo naman yung packeting quality niya. Talagang very precise at saka yung cue ball combination, cue ball positioning, no? And cue ball control. Talagang halos kahawig din dito kay Efren Reyes. Pero aggressive, no? Yung tira dito ni Torsten Homan. At dito nga naipasok niya yung ball number 9, kaya 5-2 ang score natin dyan. Si Homan pa rin ang breaking advantage dito sa rack number 8. At dito nga mukhang talagang tinatambakan niya itong si Efren Reyes. May pumasok na isang bola at may available shot dito sa ball number 1. Maganda rin yung position ng dos, no? Kaya tingnan natin kung maka-break and run siya dito sa rack number 8.
I think this is as close as we'll see to a roadmap so far. Again, these players identify problems right from the beginning, right from the outset. And I think if we look here, joined by the owner. How's Greg? How are you enjoying the match so far?
Enjoying it a lot. I do know it's serious.
Yeah, I want to.
I think we should have done alternating breaks because with an exhibition match, everyone wants to see both players play.
Maybe for set two. Set two, we could switch it up.
And I love Torsten, and he's playing like God right now.
Oh, yeah.
People want to see Efren play also, so
This is
you
true.
live and learn. I got to tell Mr. Lehman.
There's been some comments. There's been some comments online, just saying.
Really?
I have to agree. I think that's a very good owner leadership decision.
You know, in business, you constantly learn, and we learned. So next time it'll be alternating breaks.
At dito nga, last 3 balls si Homan, talagang pinapakita niya talaga yung precision ng kanyang packeting at saka yung cue ball control. No? Mahusay talaga dahil nag-champion na rin to si Torsten Homan, no? Sa mga European tournament. At dito nga, pinapasiklaban niya itong si Efren Reyes dito sa rack number 8. Pasok yung 9, 6-2 ang score natin dyan. Lamang na lamang. No? Race to 9 lang yan mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. At si Homan pa ang breaking dito sa rack number 9. 2 bola kaagad ang pumasok at mukhang may available shot siya doon sa 2 para sa next object ball. Maganda yung pinapakitang tira dito ni Homan, kaya panoorin natin at subaybayan kung maka-break and run siya dito sa rack number 9.
Again, beautiful open rack here. Don't see any problems. Maybe just a 5. So that 4 to the 5. But there is a channel there. As long as he gets a good angle, 4 to the 5. Should be able to get to the right side of it as we look. Ooh, another one. We'll have Matchroom aficionados screaming at the TV. Again, I think he was just trying to hold it. So played it a bit of a slower speed. I think the English just grabbed a little bit too much. Caused him to push it into the knuckle instead of making a clean pot. Can kick behind this, so there is a possibility this one does go into the middle pocket. So he will be aggressive. I don't think there's any other thought on his mind. Yeah, and look, he's got the bounce back as well. And then look at this. Has he got safe? I don't think so. There we go. Nice round of applause there. I think, like we said, people want to see more of Efren in this one.
At doon nga sumablay si Homan kaya nagkaroon ng available shot dito si Reyes. At napaka-smooth nung natira niya na yon sa 3, no? Sa side pocket. Mukhang maganda na rin yung layout ng table maliban dito sa 5 na kailangan niya talagang kuhanan ng magandang ball position. At dito nga, nakuha niya yung position na yan sa pagkakatira niya doon sa 4. Tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes at makahabol sa score na 6-2.
Oh, just wanted that to hold, and it's held up just enough, I think, where he can just sneak this one in. Just a little fine cut. Just go 2 rails back down to the middle of the table once more. Nice and easy. Efren brings one back.
Last ball si Reyes sa rack number 9, pasok yung 9. At ang score natin dyan, 6-3. No? Kalahati pa rin yung lamang ni Torsten Homan. 6-3, lamang siya ng 3 rack. At si Reyes naman ang breaking advantage dito sa rack number 10. At tingnan natin kung makabawi si Reyes dito. 2 bola ang pumasok at may available shot siya dito sa ball number 1. Tingnan natin kung maka-break and run si Reyes dito sa rack number 10. So panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Nice and open right now. Just looking at the table from the side here. He's going to get straight down to business. Just needs to avoid the 5 ball there on the side rail. Just make it nice and tight. Just come around it. Perfect. Nice bit of angle there as well, just to punch on and off the rail for the 3 ball. That red 3. Again, cue ball striking has always been effortless from Efren. You know, a lot said about timing. You know, you can tell the greats by how they time the ball. It just looks very, very effortless. You see that nice long fluid stroke. Definitely a lot more compact than, let's say, a Melling or a Shane Van Boening. But those are the types of players that I love to watch. And again, You know, Mika Immonen's another one that just times the ball, you know, just effortlessly and creates that, generates that power. Be interesting to see what decision he makes here. Wonder if he would just pop it forward for the 7 in the side. He's just stunned it. This means that he might go a couple of rails and bring the cue ball right to where it is now would be perfect. Again, might just be able to float this and put it off one rail, but there are a couple of options.
Napakahusay talaga ng mga tira na yan ni Reyes, no? Very smooth at saka maganda yung angulo at saka ball positioning. Kaya dito mukhang abante na naman ang isang punto si Reyes. Break and run yan. At 6-4, no? Dalawa na lang ang lamang ni Thorsten Homan. At si Reyes pa rin ang breaking. Tingnan natin kung makaulit siya ng break and run dito sa rack number 11. At ito nga, nag-break si Reyes. May pumasok na naman sa corner pocket. At may available shot ba siya dito sa ball number 1? Medyo hindi pinalad si Reyes. Tumago sa likuran ng 5. Kaya tingnan natin kung makick-shot ni Reyes yan or mag-push. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
We'll see a 2-rail kick here. Efren does like this one. So this is 2 rails and trying to make the 1 in the upper left as we look. And that's going to bring the cue ball nicely down towards the 3 as well. Has a good opportunity to get safe even if he misses it. So it is the percentage play as well as the aggressive play. Again, he walks around with that kind of casual air of confidence. Always has a smile on his face, which I love too. You know, playing the game. Ooh, just got a bit of a finer contact than he wanted, and came down for the 9 as well. But that's what I was talking about in terms of safety. You know, it lended itself quite well towards a safe if he did miss or didn't contact it where he needed to. This is my least favorite shot in pool. This type of safety, you know, these are the ones that you should practice. You know, are you aggressive? Do you try and attack the cut? You know, how do you leave the cue ball? Do you create separation? It looks like he's attacking the cut with the amount of left spin he's putting on there. He's already made one of these today. And that's a man that's in tune with his equipment because he actually overcut that ball, which is very, very difficult to do. I don't have to hold that? Oh, it keeps people away from me. It's fine. Okay. But if I'm talking to people, okay. So if you can put this one on, sure. Yeah, just say. Okay, learning as we go. Learning as we go. Perfection. So yeah, we have a couple of wireless mics that we're testing out here. So again, apologies if there's any interruptions here while we do this. And what a bank shot! Are you kidding me? Oh my god! Oh my god! What a shot! Crowd's starting to get a bit more involved now. They're asking him to play the 3-ball plant. I think I would love to see the 3-ball combo as well. So 3 onto the 8, onto the 9. He's looking at it. Or does he play the red 3 off the rail, off the 9 to make the 3? Let's see. Oh, went for the 9, went forward. That element of safety there too. Fantastic shot. Nice round of applause. Getting to a point now where I can't stand by the table. So many people still flying into this one. See. Nice kick. Didn't get something on it, but looks like he's going to get safe again. The ball is cuttable. I think the ball is very, very makeable. And cut this one to the side. Or bank it. Again. Decisions. Chose to get around that and to get the cue ball back where he did there. Absolutely fantastic. Again, I'm still expecting to see a safety, but I don't think that is what Ephraim wants to do right now. I don't think the ball passed. It's just pulled out. Disgusting combo. Are you kidding me? Oh my. And no luck, no reward.
Dito nga talagang barteran sila ng mga play safe, no? At si Reyes medyo on advantage siya, pero dito mukhang pumangit yung ball position niya, kaya mahirap itong titirahin ni Reyes na kick shot na ito para doon sa side pocket. At tingnan natin kung magawa niya itong kick bank shot doon sa side pocket. Napakalupit ng plano ni Reyes na yan. At umubra ba? At mukhang napina doon sa corner pocket, no? At ganun pa man, nakapag play safe si Reyes dito. Kaya natuwa si Reyes dyan sa tira na yan. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
I don't think that was the intended pocket. He was trying to come behind it and kick it into the side pocket, but again, it shows if you're aggressive, you can get fortunate. And Torsten very, very lucky to even be back at the table, I think. We're about to see our first jump shot. Jump shot very, very makeable.
At dito nga, mahusay yung pagkakatira ni Thorsten Homan dyan, no, sa kanyang jump shot na yan. Pero unfortunately, bumalik itong bato at naipush niya yung 8, kaya nagkaroon ng kaunting harang, no, dito sa 5. Mukhang magja-jump shot ulit dito si Thorsten Homan at tinuro niya sa corner pocket sa ibaba. At tingnan natin kung maulit niya itong jump shot para doon sa ball number 5. So pahirapan yung tira dito, instead na mag-kick shot, jump shot ang pinipili talaga ng mga German yan, no, at saka mga US. Natamaan niya yung 5 at naipasok pa doon sa side pocket, no. Ang lupit ng kanyang ginawa na yon. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
That's why you buy the ticket, people. That's why you come in person. It's a real fever pitch environment right now. Needs to just settle himself. Play this one rail right round the back of the 8-ball. Doesn't want to be over the 9 though. That's why sometimes I like to take the end rail. Again, very, very makeable shot for Torsten. Although the cueing is somewhat hampered. Can definitely just float this one in pocket speed. Doesn't need to hit it too hard. Did hit it hard and it pushed it off course.
At dito nga mukhang sumablay dyan si Thorsten Homan at naibenta itong rack number 11 na ito kay Reyes. Nasa tutok na itong 8, no, sa side pocket, at konting push lang ni Reyes na ito, kukuha na ng posisyon yan para dito sa 9. At dito nga mukhang mai-steal ni Reyes itong rack number 11 na ito at aabante ng 1 puntos, no. 6-5 ang score natin dyan, lamang pa rin ng 1 puntos itong si Thorsten Homan. At may magandang chance siya dito na maka-penetrate. At advantage dito si Reyes, no, dahil siya ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 12. May pumasok na bola at may available shot si Reyes dito sa ball number 1, pero nakaharang itong ball number 7. So tingnan natin kung mag-kick shot play safe si Reyes dito sa rack number 12.
It is tracking that way every time. Does that 7 ball go, maybe? I'm sorry we don't have another angle to show you, just the one camera set up today. I wonder if he kicks behind this, does that 7, will it squeeze to the bottom left as we look? Oh, sorry, to the bottom right as we look. Hey Mike, appreciate it. Thanks for the shout out, buddy. Runs a great tour over there in New Jersey. Wow, he really cut that one thin. And look at the reward again. Don't think he's going to like his next shot. I think Torsten can...
Mukhang sinuwerte pa talaga dito si Reyes, no, dahil hindi naipasok yung uno pero nakakuha pa rin ng magandang safety play. At dito nga back to table itong si Homan para patamaan niya yung uno na yun. Kaya panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
5 and the 2 as blockers and try and bring the 1 ball round 1, 2, 3 rails. Oh, we can't see it. I thought we could see the full ball there. Interesting. He's going for the super aggressive cut. If he hits this absolutely inch perfect, you might see the cue ball run down towards the 2 ball here. So this is a smart shot. See how it run down? And he's just got... Oh, now he's made it very easy for Efren. I like the aggression. I do.
At dito nga mukhang na-open itong table, no, kay Reyes dahil sa tira na yun ni Homan at dahil doon din sa setup ni Reyes. Kaya dito makikita natin may pag-asa si Reyes na tumabla dahil open na itong table, no, para sa isang run. Okay, subaybayan natin mga kabilyard.
The one that I'd be concerned about. I apologize, actually, I didn't see the 3 ball was down there as well. So 2, 3, the red 3 there. Needs a nice angle on the 4 just to make sure that he can stay on the right side of this 5 ball. Now, obviously the 5 does go into both pockets, but for positional value, you know, you'd really want to stay on the right side as we look from the 4 to the 5. And that just opens up a lot more table for positional value. And he's just having a look there. If he comes behind it, yeah, I don't like that shot. So I think we're going to see a power shot. Needs to control this one very nicely. A little bit of low left. Yeah, doesn't want to be on the rail. Doesn't want to be on the rail. That just made this shot just a little bit missable. Again, with these pocket sizes at 4 3/4, should just be able to float this one up and down. Nicely played. And the same shot for this one. Some players like to take a second.
At dito nga tulad ng inaasahan, no, naipasok ni Reyes yung 7 at last ball si Reyes para tumabla dito sa score na 6-5. At dito nga naipasok ni Reyes yung 9. All 6 ang score natin mga kaibigan, no. Race to 9 lang ito at winner's break, kaya si Reyes ang may breaking advantage ngayong dito sa rack number 13. Kaya tingnan natin kung maka-break and run si Reyes dito at maka-abante siya ng isa pang puntos.
Or if you just want to get away from the wife. Hope you're not listening, love. Sorry about that. So Efren's taken the last 4 games on the spin now. Torsten's been stuck on 6. I believe this is a race to 9. Unless I'm told otherwise. Let me just try and confirm it. Nice open table. This is, again, the most difficult shot is the opening one. I wonder if he's going to try and treat us to a bank shot. However, if he can see the potting angle, I think you'll see him go for the cut in the top right. He will be running into the 7, but yeah, he used that and actually played the 7 instead of the 1, based on the fact that he probably couldn't see a lot of the ball, or enough of the ball. And has absolutely no reward at the moment either. Still has a bank shot. I'm pretty sure this, if he jacks up on this, he might be able to play it into the side pocket on the opposite. Yeah, he's going to try and bank this. I think if he just needs to get the cue ball out of the way. 1, 2, try for the 3 and got the 3. Oh, not the ball that he meant to go for, but when you're a twice Hall of Famer.
At dito nga nagkaroon ng available shot si Reyes, no, dito sa side pocket. At naipasok ni Reyes yun para dito sa position niya sa 2. Medyo alanganin yung position dahil medyo malayo, pero tingnan natin kakayanin ni Reyes itong mga ganitong lasing layo. At dito nga eksakto yung pagkakapina na yun ni Reyes. Last 3 ball si Reyes dito sa rack number 13. Mukhang bante ng 1 punto si Reyes dito. At tingnan natin kung hanggang saan yung kakayanin dito ni Thorsten Homan. All 6 ang score natin. Nasa table si Reyes. Advantage yung kanyang pagtira. At mukhang ito nga naipasok na yung 8. Last ball si Reyes at naka-aim na rin dito sa sa corner pocket itong 9. Mukhang mauna, no, si Reyes, naunahan na niya si Thorsten Homan. At dito nga 7-6 ang score, lamang na si Efren Reyes. Si Reyes pa rin ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 14.
Twist. Great to have you in the chat, mate. And hope you're enjoying this one. Very nice break there from Efren. And he could well run these ones out.
At dito nga mukhang maganda yung break na yun ni Reyes. May available shot siya dito sa ball number 1. Tingnan natin kung maka-break and run siya at mauna sa top of the hill, no? Dahil 7-6 na ang score natin. Last 2 racks na lang si Reyes. At medyo maganda pa ang pinapakita niya dito sa rack number 14. At tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes itong table.
He'll just play for the corner. Again, it's all about what your touch and feel preference is. Just need to draw back on this one to make sure that he stays the right side of the 4. And by that I mean lower. And he's got it there, that's perfect. He can just cheat the pocket, go forward for the 5.
At dito nga tulad ng inaasahan natin, no, talagang hindi na pagbibigyan ni Reyes itong si Thorsten Homan. At nakita nyo naman yung kanyang precision shot. Talagang tutok na tutok dito sa mga bola. At ganyan talaga yung the champ, no? Talagang nagpapatalo muna pero eventually makakahabol siya. 7-6 nasa top of the hill na, ay nasa 8-6 pala, advantage si Reyes, no? Nasa top of the hill na. At siya pa rin ang breaking advantage dito sa last rack. Ang score natin 8-6 raised to 9. At medyo maganda yung break na yun ni Reyes. May pumasok na bola. At makita ninyo, no, halos sa dalawang bola yung pumasok dyan. Kaya mapansin niyo talagang eksaktong swerte dito si Efren Reyes.
I don't think we are.
Oh, you heard it there first, guys. You heard it there first. Good to see the interaction from everyone on the rail here. Everyone's super engaged in this match right now. But not too early for a celebration, I don't think, with where that 5 ball is. So he's finished the wrong side of this. And I don't think there's an easy way to disturb the 3. So I wonder if he's just going to try and draw it back to where he just pointed his cue to, because that 3 might cut. It might cut in between the 8 and the 9 there. Yeah, so he's just trying to get back into that channel, you see, without scratching. I think he has enough of the 3. That's a fantastic positional shot that's not been acknowledged by the crowd.
At dito nga medyo kailangan i-break ni Reyes itong cluster ball na ito, no? Itong ball number 4 at saka ball number 5. At dito nga may pasok ba ni Reyes itong 4? At yun, nailusot ni Reyes. Napakahusay ng pinan niya na yun, no? Eksaktong-eksakto doon sa intended na packet.
Hall of Famer. There's your reason. What a fantastic visionary shot that he's just played there. Not one to get the shape on that ball, but also just to pocket that ball and hold for the next one. Fantastic play there from Efren. And that's going to take him through, I think, to complete this one, 9-6. Poor Efren just sat in his chair. Oh, sorry, poor Torsten just sat in his chair, watching the brilliance that we all are as well. We are going to move to a second set, guys, so we'll probably just take a break. I'm going to use the little boys' room. I'll see you again soon. Thank you.